Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm just going to give you an update on this raft slash bridge style planting that I did a couple months ago. As you can tell, it's grown quite a bit, and I did a video on when I planted it. I'll go ahead and link that in the description below if you want to go take a look at that. But today, like I said, I just thought I'd take a look at it and maybe give it a little prune, get it back in shape, just kind of look at it to see, if I see any issues with it. It's been outside on my benches. You can tell some of the water, I've got really hard water, so it stains my pots and some of the leaves and stuff, but it seems pretty happy though. It's growing well. What I don't know is if this part rooted or not, and I'm not going to dig it up today to find out, but I'd be curious to see if it did, because it did have a little cut point, but whether it did or didn't, it's still growing pretty good. I mean, this is from 2 or 3 months ago, so that's how much it's put on. So like I said, today we're just going to give it a little prune, kind of get it back in shape, get a little more compact, try to get a little more ramification out of it. Yeah, I'm liking it. I'm happy that it's growing as well as it is. We've got new sprouts here along the trunk. I don't know that I need that, so I'm just gonna trim those off. I don't think I want this one. Actually, I have two here. Go ahead and get rid of those. It's not really the look I'm wanting. I'm still wanting some open space, and I'm kind of looking for three distinct trees. One here in the center, and then one out here on the right side. So we'll see if we can get that look. Got some leaves down here next to the bottom. Not sure where that's coming out at, if it's right. I don't think I want them down that low. Got some wire down there. I can't quite see. This branch is growing right next to that wire, so I can't cut through it. Take the height off of these. I don't even know if I need this one, since it's kind of going back towards the other one. Like, I've got enough green up there, so I think I'm going to take that off. And I've got this one back here. We'll go ahead and take that off. These big leaves here that I don't like the way they look. Not even sure I need that branch, because I've got that look there. It almost kind of takes away from it. Plus this one's kind of heading back. Just kind of kills the flow there. Let's take that off and see what it looks like. I don't know if I need that there or not. I think I'd probably be okay getting rid of that. I don't know if it's contributing anything, and I don't want this one here. Some of these growing out towards the back. We'll shorten those. I don't know. I think I need to don't like that. Get rid of it. Think that'll work. This one's kind of growing down. Take that off. I think that it's got it back in shape a little bit, and it'll continue to grow and ramify and get a lot tighter. I'm pretty happy with the progress. Another thing I want to do today, I've got this little succulent start that I rooted in here. Just trying to loosen it up a little bit. And then I think I want to try to plant it in here just to add some, yeah, it's got a few roots on it, not a lot, but I think it'll be enough to, I'm not sure where I want to put that. Maybe growing over that rock, maybe. Just dig a little hole. Yeah, it looks kind of neat. Growing up over that rock like that. Get some soil back around the back side of it. Might have to put some more on there, but just scoop up some from over here. Put in there. A little bit more. I don't have my soil in here, so I'll fill this back in. The bucket's outside, so I'll have to just put a little extra scoop on there when I get it back outside. Yeah, that looks kind of neat. Just adds a little more interest. And I've got another one of those cuttings outside. I may pop it in somewhere, but I think we'll just leave that there for today. Yeah, pretty happy with it. Like I said, if you want to see where I planted it, I'll link the video. And I think that'll do it for today. Let me give you a quick spin around. So there's the front. There's the left side. There's the back. Right side. And back to the front. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.